and they're off. Early lead is taken by entry number 2, and that is Classical Jade. And as they lead the straight, Classical Jade, Ken Fair Special moving up on the outside. Classical Jade by the rail, Ken Fair Special on the outside. And Our Soul and Prayer. And Antres moving up on the inside. Santeria and Botbo is bringing up the rear. And heading for the back stretch is Classical Jade by the rail and Ken Fair Special on the outside. And Antares, Santeria, entry number 1, Our Soul and Prayer. And Botbo is still trailing the group. Nearing the pattern, Ken Fair Special by half a length, followed by entry number 4, Antares on the outside, Santeria on the farther outside, and Classical Jade, entry number 1, Our Soul and Prayer, and Botbo. Rounding the pattern, Ken Fair Special by half a length, Antares on the outside, and Santeria running in third on the farther outside, and here comes entry number 1, Our Soul and Prayer, and Classical Jade, Botbo. The lead is taken over now by Santeria, followed by Antares in second, and Ken Fair Special, Our Soul and Prayer moving up on the outside. And into the home stretch is Santeria in the lead, followed by Antares, and Our Soul and Prayer moving up on the farther outside, and Ken Fair Special. But it's still Santeria in the lead. It's Santeria moving up on the outside, entry number 1, Our Soul and Prayer. It's Our Soul and Prayer in the lead, Antares, and Botbo moving up on the inside. It's entry number 1, Our Soul and Prayer, and Botbo by the rail. It's Botbo by the rail, Our Soul and Prayer, and finally at the pipeline, Botbo, Our Soul and Prayer, Antares, Santeria, and Fair Special, Classical Jade.